Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF A18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS TUF A18 gaming laptop is a powerhouse machine built for gamers, content creators, and power users who demand high-end performance, cutting-edge graphics, and a massive immersive display. With its 18-inch FHD Plus display, AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD. This laptop is designed to tackle AAA games, professional workloads, and intensive multitasking with ease. Starting with the processor, the AMD Ryzen 7 260 is a true gaming beast. It runs at a base clock of 3.8 GHz and can boost up to 5.1 GHz, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. What sets it apart is the AMD XDNA Neural Processing Unit, capable of up to 16 TOPS, giving you incredible performance for AI-enhanced applications, gaming optimization, and streaming workloads. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles, running demanding simulations, or multitasking with multiple apps open, this processor ensures smooth, lag-free performance. Graphics are equally impressive. The laptop comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, boasting 8 GB of GDDR5 memory and advanced technologies like DLSS 4 with multi-frame generation and ray tracing. This combination allows for ultra-realistic graphics, high frame rates, and incredible detail, even in the most demanding modern games. With dynamic boost and overclocking capabilities, the A18 ensures you get the most out of every game, whether it's first-person shooters, open-world RPGs, or competitive esports titles. The 18-inch FHD Plus display is another standout feature. With a 1920 by 1200 resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and 3 milliseconds response time, this IPS-level panel provides smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and minimal motion blur. The 100% sRGB coverage and 75% Adobe RGB accuracy make it perfect for creative work like photo and video editing. NVIDIA G-Sync, MUX Switch, and advanced Optimus support ensure you get tear-free gameplay with optimal performance, while the anti-glare coating keeps your visuals crisp even in bright environments. Memory and storage are also top-notch. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, the A18 provides high-bandwidth performance for graphics-heavy games, video editing, streaming, and multiple applications running simultaneously. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures ultra-fast load times, quick file transfers, and ample storage for games, media, and professional projects. Whether you're storing large video files, multiple game libraries, or running virtual machines, this laptop has you covered. Connectivity and additional features make the TUF A18 a complete gaming and productivity package. It comes with Wi-Fi 6E for the fastest possible online gaming and streaming, a backlit keyboard for late-night sessions, and an FHD webcam for video calls or streaming. The included BWE accessories add extra value, ensuring you're ready to game or work right out of the box. Overall, the ASUS TUF A18 gaming laptop is a monster gaming machine that balances power, display size, graphics, and modern features. It's ideal for AAA gaming at high settings, streaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking, all while maintaining a portable form factor that fits an 18-inch chassis. The combination of the Ryzen 7 260 CPU, RTX 5060 GPU, high refresh display, DDR5 RAM, and NVMe SSD makes this laptop a future-proof choice for gamers and professionals alike. In conclusion, if you're looking for an immersive gaming experience with professional-grade performance, the ASUS TUF A18 delivers everything you need and more. From next-level gaming visuals, high-speed performance, and fast storage, to versatile connectivity and a massive display, this laptop truly earns its place as one of the best gaming laptops of 2026.